Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday and we are back at CVS for another week of CVS deals. This week is the second week of the CVS sales ad. So the same ECB deals are going on as last week, but we do have brand new digital coupons, new CRTs, and new rebates to work with. So we do have a different set of deals from last week to this week. In this week's video, I'm going to go over the brand new deals at the beginning of the video, and then I'll go over some deal updates and repeat deals towards the end of the video. If you are not already, make sure you're following me on all my other social media platforms. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Lemonade at kaylakoupons. So if you use any of those platforms and you want to see more deals from me on those platforms, make sure you're following me. So with all that being said, let's get into the deals. I just upgraded my apartment patio to a super nice outdoor furniture set, and I wanted to show you guys the deal that I got. It's this 5-piece brown rattan set with cream cushions that's on clearance from Costway.com. Right now, Costway is running their fall clearance sale, and this set is marked down from $710 to just $499. Plus, you can use an additional 10% off coupon code that makes it just $449. So, such a great deal for this big of a set, and the quality is really good as well. The wicker material is thick, and the cushions are soft and have a waterproof coating, and they're machine washable. I also got a little matching table to go with that's on sale for $59 down from $82, and it would be just $53.10 with the 10% off coupon. Before this, I had 2 little wicker chairs, so I'm so excited to have a nice furniture set that makes me want to be outside more. I've had it for a week now, and I've been editing videos outside and hanging out at night with my dog with the patio lights on. You can shop this patio set and table from Costway during their fall clearance event with the links in the description box down below or in the pinned comment. I'll also put the 10% off discount code where you can save some additional money. Right now at the end of summer / beginning of fall is the best time to get discounted patio furniture, so I would definitely take advantage. My store has finally hit 75% off on the summer clearance, so I was finally getting around to taking a look at what they had left. Lots of fans, shoes, beach towels, beach toys, and coolers, things like that. I did find these little towel beach clips to make sure that your towel doesn't blow away, that were still there. I would definitely recommend you guys get these if you don't already have them. Also make sure to look up high. My store had a lot of the different coolers and bags up high. I ended up grabbing this Life is Good tote because it was $9.50 on clearance, 75% off down from $37.99. Really good deal for a good brand, and it has like a waterproof and sandproof liner on the inside, so I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. Okay, into the new deals for this week. First, we have this large size Snuggle fabric softener on sale for $8.99. It's buy one, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can pick this up and you'll pay $8.99, get back your $3 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on one of these, making your final cost just $4.74. And if you guys do not already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below so you can get a $5 bonus when you sign up. We do have a $4 off 2 digital coupon for Snuggle, so if you want to use that, you can grab one of these 70 count lavender sheets that are $7.79 and the $8.99 Snuggle. The 2 would total $16.78. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you'll pay $12.78, but you'll earn back your $3 extra buck for buying the fabric softener, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on the fabric softener and 50 cents back on the dryer sheets. So that would make your final cost for both items just $8.03. Tresemme Hair Care is spend $20 before coupons and you earn back a $10 extra buck. So what we can do is grab 2 of the smaller size hairsprays, the ones that are priced at $6.29, and then 1 of like the medium size hairspray priced at $7.59. Those 3 items total $20.17. You can use a 3 off 15 Tresemme Hair Care CVS store coupon if you have it, and then we have a $5 off 2 digital coupon for Tresemme that we just got. So you would pay $12.17, but then earn back your $10 extra buck, making all 3 items just $2.17. Nivea body wash are buy 2, get back a $7 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of the men's body wash priced at $6.49, totaling $12.98, and use a $2 off of 1 digital coupon. You'd pay $10.98, get back your $7 extra buck, and then you can submit to the Shop Me rebate app for $2 back on the one that you did not use a digital coupon for, making the 2 of them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Dove Men Plus Care Whole Body Deodorant is buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 at $13.99, totaling $20.98. Use a $10 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. You'd pay $10.98, earn back your $4 extra buck, making the 2 of them just $6.98. Eucerin lotion is spend $20 before coupons and you earn back a $10 extra buck. So you can grab one of these small original healing creams at $7.79 and one of the skin calming lotions at $13.49. Those two items would total $21.28. You can use a $2 digital coupon for one of them. You'd pay $19.28, earn back your $10 extra buck, and then you could submit to Shop Me for $2 back on the second one that you did not use a digital coupon for. That would make your final cost for both lotion just $7.28. We have a really good deal on these CVS Health 5-function brain health supplements. They're $27.99 at my store and they're buy one get one free this week. So you can grab two of them totaling $27.99 and then you can submit to Ibotta for $12 back on each one. This rebate is up to a limit of 5, so you're going to get back $24 for buying two of them, making your final cost for both just $3.99. And the best part is you could use a % off coupon since the first item is full price, and that would make the two of them even cheaper. We have a deal update on the CoverGirl deal. They're buy two, get back a $6 extra buck. So you're going to want to grab two of the brow pencils priced at $5.79, totaling $11.58. Use a $4 instant CRT that everyone got reset again this week, starting on September 22nd. So you'd pay $7.58, earn back your $6 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each eye product, getting a total of $4 back. So that would make the two of them free plus a $2.42 moneymaker. Another awesome deal on makeup is on Maybelline this week. They're spend $15 before coupons and you earn back a $5 extra buck. Now you're not going to want to do the deal exactly like I did because I made a mistake. The lipsticks, the regular lipsticks, are not participating in the spend 15 get 5 for some reason. Very strange, but just note that. So you're going to want to grab one of the Fit Me blushes at $7.79 and then grab another type of Maybelline lip product around like the $7 to $9 range. I mistakenly grabbed this lipstick that was $7.49. So these two items totaled $15.28 for me. I used a 3 off 15 Maybelline CVS store coupon and then a $3 instant CRT that everyone got this week. So I was left to pay $9.28, getting back my $5 extra buck that my cashier had to manually print because, like I said, the lipstick was not technically participating. And then I can also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on a Maybelline lip product and $2 back on a Maybelline face product. So getting a total of $4 back from Ibotta. That makes my final cost for both items just 28 cents. Look out in the regular pain relief aisle or in the clearance section of your store for these infant pain and fever medication. They were on clearance for $2.07 at my store, and Ibotta has a $1.50 rebates up to a limit of 5, so that makes them just 57 cents each. Into the repeat deals from last week that we still have going on. First, we have the Finished Jet Dry. They're on sale for $4.47 and they're buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two totaling $8.94 and use a $2 digital coupon in the CVS app if you did not already use it. You would pay $6.94, get back your $3 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on each of the Finished Jet Dry, getting $4 back on Ibotta. So that makes your final cost completely free for two of these. We also still have the Tide deal going on this week. You can grab one of the Tide Pods at $12.99 and one of the Tide Liquid at $12.99 on sale. These are spend $25 before coupons and you earn back an $8 extra buck, so these two total $25.98. We have separate $3 digital coupons for the Tide Pods, and we have a separate $3 digital coupon for the Tide Liquid. So you'd pay $19.98, earn back your $8 extra buck, making both of these just $11.98. Again this week, OGX is buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of the hair care products at $9.29, totaling $13.93. And we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that you can use in the CVS app. So you would pay $7.93, earn back your $4 extra buck, making two of these just $3.93. Garnier Whole Blends is 2 for $8 and buy two, get back a $2 extra buck. So you can grab two and use a $3 off 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $5, earn back your $2 extra buck, making both of them just $3 or $1.50 each. This week, CVS has their big fall wellness sale going on with their lowest prices of the year. So I wanted to share with you guys a few of the deals they have going on for this event. Another way that you can save is you can shop on the CVS website and use code FALL20 for an additional 20% off your online purchase. The first deal that I want to share with you guys that's participating in the fall sale are the Garnier Fructis. They're 2 for $8 and buy two, get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two and use a $3 off 2 digital coupon. You would pay $5, get back your $3 extra buck, making the two of them just $2 or $1 each. Another deal from the Big Fall Wellness Sale is the Scott toilet paper. It's on sale for $8.99, and we actually have a $2 digital coupon for this that we just got in the CVS app, making it just $6.99 for an 18-roll pack. A sale that I'm going to be taking advantage of this week is on the 0.25 ounce, so the larger size of the Lumify eye drops. I've always wanted to try these. They make the whites of your eyes even whiter, and they're on sale for just $21.97. Another great deal is on the men's and women's Rogaine. They're on sale for $59.94, and when you buy one, you get back a $10 extra buck, making your final cost just $49.94. Another Big Fall Wellness Sale deal is on the Crest mouthwash and Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.94, and when you buy two, you earn back a $5 extra buck. So grab two and use a 3-off-2 digital coupon. You'll pay $6.88, get back your $5 extra buck. So that's going to make either two of the mouthwashes or two of the toothpaste just $1.88. The final sale deal that I wanted to share with you guys is on Nature Valley granola bars. They're on sale for $1.97, so you can grab two, totaling $3.94, and use a $1-off-2 digital coupon. You'll pay $2.94, and you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 2 boxes of Nature Valley granola bars, making your final cost just $1.94 for both. Again, the Big Fall Wellness Sale is going on through the end of this week through September 28th. It features some of the lowest sale prices of the season, and you can save an additional 20% off your online purchase using code FALL20 on CVS.com. I'll have the link to score that deal in the description box down below for you guys. Aussie Hair Care are buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So the cheapest option is grabbing the shampoos and conditioners. They're priced at my store at $5.49. Two would total $8.23, and after the $4 extra buck, it makes two of them just $4.23. Again, this week, Axe Body Wash are buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two of the regular body wash at $6.49 each, totaling $9.73, and use a 5-off-2 digital coupon if you did not already use it. You'll pay $4.73, get back your $3 extra buck, making the two of them just $1.73. Rael face masks are $3.99 and buy one get back a $2 extra buck, making one of them just $1.99. We still have our $1 Ibotta rebates on the CVS Health Baby Wipes, so you can grab two. They're buy one get one 50% off at $3.69, totaling $5.53, and after getting back $2 on Ibotta, it makes two packs just $3.53. Another CVS Health baby deal we have are on the small size baby powders. They're BOGO 50% off, and we have $1 Ibotta rebates, so that would make two of them just $2.78. Or you could grab two of these safety swabs. Two of these would be just $1.73 after Ibotta rebate. The Gillette Foamy Shave Cream are buy one get one 50% off and buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab two of them at $3.89. Two would total $5.83, and after the $3 extra buck, it would make two of them just $2.83. If you are brand loyal to the Dove Men Plus Care deodorant, there's a decent deal still going on this week. They're BOGO 50% off and buy two get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab two of the ones priced at $9.99, totaling $14.98, and use a $5-off-2 digital coupon. You'd pay $9.98, earn back your $4 extra buck, making two of them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. And always check the Fetch Rewards app. A lot of the times there is Dove Men Plus Care rebates on there as well. I'll have the Fetch app linked in the description box down below to get a $2 bonus when you sign up and snap in your first receipt. EcoTools and Real Techniques are spend $15 before coupons and you earn back a $10 extra buck. So you could grab a set priced around $14.99 or two different items that are priced around like $7.50 each. And after the $10 extra buck, it would make it just $5. And of course, you can use % off CRTs to lower your cost even more. For transaction one, I did the Garnier Fructis and the Snuggle deal, and I had two $3-off-2 Garnier Fructis digital coupons clipped, and both of those did come off at checkout, even though I just share with you guys that you guys can use one, because technically you can only use one, but both did apply at checkout. And then I used $8 in extra bucks and had about a $3 subtotal I put on a gift card, so $11 out of pocket, but I got back $6 in extra bucks, $3 for buying two of the Fructis and $3 for buying the Snuggle, and I got back $1.25 on Ibotta for the Snuggle fabric softener for the big bottle, making all three items just $3.75, which is an awesome deal. On this transaction, I did the Tresemme and the Garnier Fructis, same deal with the Garnier Fructis digital coupons, and I used my 5-off-2 for the Tresemme and my 3-off-15 CVS store coupon for the Tresemme. I used $7 in extra bucks, had about a $7 subtotal, so $14 out of pocket, but I got back $13 in extra bucks, 10 for spending 20 before coupons on Tresemme, and 3 for buying 2 of the Fructis. So all 5 hair care products were just $1, which is amazing. For this transaction with the makeup products, I found out that the Maybelline lipsticks are not included. The regular ones are not included in the spend 15 get 5. So I had to get that extra buck manually printed. So do not grab those. Grab a different Maybelline lip product that's priced around $7, $7.50. So on this transaction though, I grabbed the CoverGirl and then the Maybelline, the $4 off CoverGirl Instant CRT applied, the $3 Maybelline Instant CRT, and the 3 off 15 for the Maybelline. And then I used $13 in extra care bucks to pay, had about a $4 subtotal, so $17 out of pocket, got back $11 in extra bucks after my cashier manually issued me the $5 one for the Maybelline, and then I got back $8 on Ibotta, $2 for each of the CoverGirl eye products, and then $2 for the Maybelline face and $2 for the Maybelline lip. So spent out $17, got back $19, making this transaction a $2 moneymaker. Then I grabbed a couple of random items, the Lumify eye drops that were on sale for $21.97 for the 0.25 size as part of the CVS wellness event. That is a really good deal and I've always wanted to try those eye drops. And then I also grabbed one of the Life is Good totes that were regularly $37.99 that was on clearance 75% off for $9.50. So I used a CVS gift card to buy these 2 items and I think it was a really good deal. I used a $3 extra care buck to pay. Overall, I was just very happy to get both of those items for such a low price, especially because the Life is Good tote is lined with like a waterproof, sandproof lining that's easy to clean, and I've never seen a tote have that. So I'm really excited to have that for next summer and for any trips that I'm going to go on in the next couple of years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment so more people can find the video. Make sure you're following me on all other social media platforms at kaylakoupons, and I will catch you guys in the next one.